present tense, past tense, and future tense of verbs. Let's begin. I eat. I ate. I will eat. I run. I ran. I will run. I write. I wrote. I will write. I see. I saw. I will see. I take. I took. I will take. I know. I knew. I will know. I speak. I spoke. I will speak. I drive. I drove. I will drive. I make. I made. I will make. I find. I found. I will find. I think. I thought. I will think. I give. I gave. I will give. I feel. I felt. I will feel. I leave. I left. I will leave. I bring. I brought. I will bring. I buy. I bought. I will buy. I build. I built. I will build. I sing. I sang. I will sing. I choose. I chose. I will choose. I swim. I swam. I will swim. I drink. I drank. I will drink. I fly. I flew. I will fly. I grow. I grew. I will grow.
I stand. I stood. I will stand.
What about the past, present, and future tense of the verb read? Let me know your answer in the comments below.